quite popular, this render thing. Where do you think it'll go? I'm not sure, but let's take a look at the charts because we got to figure this thing out because everybody wants to know where render's going to go. So let's take a look. What's going on? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys and shout out and thank you so much for coming through here. Let's take a look at render. We've done some TA. We've got some levels up for you guys so that we can find certain areas for pullbacks so that we can be profitable with render. Okay, so yes, we've had a massive pump up here. This is great to see. Okay, if you're bullish on this project, I don't blame you. Look at this massive move that we have seen from render. Wow, massive push lately. Now a lot of you are probably feeling, hey, maybe I should have bought some of this. Maybe there's a bit of FOMO. Maybe you think you're missing out. That's okay. We're going to take a look at the TA. We're going to find key levels of where we think price can go to, where we can set limit orders in order to profit and grab better DCA positions so that we can fill up those bags in case we get a pullback, which is what we're looking for. Okay, so taking a look at render objectively, what can we see here? We can see that there's kind of like this bearish area here that we fell below here. So this was, I don't think we'll get back to this, you know, this 40 cents area. I mean, if you grabbed 40 cents, congratulations to you, man. Show me your channel. I'll like and subscribe to you. But if you're not, you can like and subscribe here. See how we did that? Just kidding. So let's look at this now. We pull the volume straight across, we take a look, okay? So objectively speaking, right, we like to draw boxes, okay? So where are the boxes? Where are the levels? Alexo Crypto, you're wondering, well, here we go. We got here, and we got here, and then we got some stuff up here, right? So I've done some volume analysis on all of it, and I've looked for these levels in order for us to be profitable. Now, we can see we have some old levels here, okay? Some very keen old levels here. However, they are important nonetheless, okay? So we want to make sure that we have them all up here so that we can look at them in order to be profitable ourselves. Now, looking through here, we can get rid of these purple lines and we can look to make better ideas out of it. So we've pushed up, okay? We've pushed up, we've pushed out of this area from down here. Now we're looking for a retracement. Where can this retracement come down to where we can grab and fill up our bag? So we want to see price come back down into these areas, okay? So what we'll do is initially we'll mark out the key levels that we can see on the charts in a red color so that we know that if price comes to here, this is a very crucial spot on the price action. So bang, here's our first one at $2.17. Now above us, you can see I've gone over here. I've marked out key levels above us as well. So I've pulled volume from here over to here and taken a look in the deep dive here of where we think we are. Now this dotted line is the price. So we know we have some key levels above us within this range here. So we mark out the top of this range, I believe is right here in red. Okay, so we have a beautiful box now. Okay, so then we press the refresh button, we go over to the price action, and we know that price is wanting to get above here. Okay, and where is that level there? That is $3.70. Wow. Wow, we were just talking about prices down at 50 cents. Can it come back to those levels? Absolutely anything's possible in the crypto world. So what are our levels below us? Where can we see key levels of support and resistance? Well, we can see one here. Bang. So we'll go back to gray. So we have these general ideas where we can look for those wicks, where we can set limit orders on spot where we can accumulate some profits. So what are the direct levels below us? Well, let's take a look. We got $3 psychological level. We got $2.75, also a psychological level, and let me guess, $2.50. Wow. Okay, so we're looking at quarters here. We're looking at quarters. So we got $3, $2.75, $2.50, $1.25. Can we raise that up a little bit? Of course we can, just a little bit, to $1.25. So let's keep it in that vicinity. So we're looking at quarters here. On the dollar, so we can look for areas for it to come to. Now, if we do get above this $3.75, we could be looking for much higher prices. However, right now, with the Bitcoin price and where we are in the market, we are looking for this price to cool down. We've come up to a key level of resistance at 350. Look at that. And we've dropped back down to 335, right? So we're looking for prices to come back down to these levels. Make sure to mark these on your charts. And if we do lose these levels, we look to come back within this range, okay? So this range is very, very simple. You can see the giant volume node here right around right around 250 to 225. So look for us to get a key bounce off of this area. Look for that to hold as support. So this will be your crucial buying area, is around $2.25 if we fall from here. Okay, if we don't, however, you're looking for quick bounces, you can dollar cost average 10%, 10%, and maybe 80% below those. So you can get a better average price. So you're around here and you can look to blast off from the top, right? If you're bullish on render, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel already. If we do fall back within this range, well, we look to come to the point of control, and we'll mark out that one for you too, and that's $1.75. Okay, so I hope this gets to you well. Be safe out there, practice good risk management, and let's hope that if we are bullish on render on this massive move to the upside, that we can get those lucky pullbacks where we can look for price to come back to, because we've been setting them for things such as Solana, such as Rune, such as Link, where we can look for price to zip back down, grab a DCA in order for price to continue its way upwards. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.